Shalom everyone, Ate Ay once again. Guys, today's vlog, another infinitive verb ang ating pag-aaralan. Pag-aaralan natin ang infinitive to return or to come back, in Hebrew, Lachzor. Again, pag-aaralan natin ito kung paano natin sasabihin sa present tense, past tense, and future tense. Okay, mag-start tayo sa present tense. Present tense return or come back for masculine singular. I return. Ani huser. You return. Ata huser. He return. Hu huser. Present tense return or come back for feminine singular. I return. Ani huseret. You return. At kuseret. She returned. He huseret. Present tense return or come back for masculine plural. We return. Anachnu husrim. You return. Atem kusrim. They return. Hem husrim. Present tense return or come back for feminine plural. We return. Anachnu husrot. You return. Aten husrot. They return. Hen husrot. Okay guys, pag-aaralan naman natin kung paano natin ito sasabihin sa past tense according to the gender. Past tense returned or came back. I returned, masculine singular, hasarti. I returned, feminine singular, hasarti. You returned, masculine singular, hasarta. You returned, feminine singular, hasart. He returned, hasara. She returned, hasra. We return, masculine plural or mixed gender, hasarnu. We returned, feminine plural, hasarnu. You returned, masculine plural or mixed gender, hasartem. You returned, feminine plural, hasarten. They returned, masculine plural or mixed gender, hasru. They returned, feminine plural, hasru. Okay guys, now pag-aralan naman natin ang future tense, will return or will come back. I will return for masculine singular, ani exor. I will return for feminine singular, ani exor. You will return, masculine singular, ata taksur. You will return, feminine singular, at takzri. He will return, hu yakzur. She will return, he taksur. We will return masculine plural or mixed gender. אנחנו נחזור. We will return feminine plural. אנחנו נחזור. You will return masculine plural or mixed gender. אתם תחזרו. You will return feminine plural. אתן תחזורנה. They will return masculine plural or mixed gender. הם יחזרו. They will return feminine plural. הן תחזורנה. Okay guys, now ibibigay ko naman sa inyo ang imperative or ang command. Imperative return or come back for masculine singular, hasur. Imperative return or come back for feminine singular, hisri. Imperative return or come back for masculine plural, hisru. Imperative return or come back for feminine plural, hasurna. Okay guys, dito po natatapos ang vlog na ito. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment. At sa mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe, please subscribe na at huwag rin kalimutan i-click ang notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa i-upload kong mga videos. Guys, see you on my next vlog. Hamon-hamon to dalakem, yum to ve lihitraot.